Social media and content generation. Social media and content creation. ChatGPT can help you write engaging posts for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or even YouTube. And it can help recommend hashtags, captions, and even ideas for different types of posts. And also help you identify trending topics.
So of course, social media content creation is a place where AI content can be utilized. I have a prompt with here's a prompt which says, write an engaging LinkedIn post about how AI is transforming the hiring process, including a personal insight and call to action. So let's see what gets generated. So sometimes it can be a little scary, even the level of detail in which it goes, but it does create this post talking about it being evolving at an unprecedented pace. Talks about speaking with a job seeker who applied to over 50 positions. What does this mean for job seekers? Resumes need to be AI friendly. Hiring is becoming more data driven. AI can enhance but not replace the human touch in recruitment. Has some advice, and how has it impacted your job search or hiring process? So it gives you what I would say here is a good template for a post. Now, I would never post this exactly as it gets generated. I would maybe reframe the bullets and then reframe the text and also include some resources or some links around something that I want to share related to the topic. But I would also not speak about something that I never did, like speaking with a job seeker who applied to positions. If I never did that, I wouldn't keep that in my post. It's inauthentic. But I think the benefit of it creating this type of post is it gives you a framework for understanding that doesn't need to be super long, that you can then take this idea and continue to refine it and make it more specific to you. So let's actually use a post prompt for that. Please provide suggestions for making this example post more authentic. So it says personalizing the insight, adding emotion or storytelling, humanizing the AI factor, or conversational engaging language. So just a few kind of suggestions. I definitely think putting your own link in there, talking about maybe what your product or service might do, or maybe an experience that you actually have had, basically personalizing it a bit more, giving your feelings more about the topic, and finding a way to make it more human. Now, I think with social media posts, you need to be careful. I think one of the better parts about doing it is that you can actually make posts that are very specific links or designed for specific platforms. And you could utilize a prompt. Please now generate 5 ideas based on this post for Instagram. So here are 5 Instagram content ideas based on your LinkedIn post. So it gives the idea of a carousel post, a reel, an infographic, poll or Q&A story, meme or relatable post. And so those are just some ideas. So you might either focus on one type of these or do multiples, or see if you could try to utilize them all and just see what would work best for you. But you can then take one type of content and make it more specific for a different platform, which is really what you should try to do.